Nadia, you are not wrong to be angry. I've picked up arms not because I lust for battle or money or power. I've done it for the future of our unborn child. Havoc's dam saved us from a decade of flooding and gave us electricity and clean water. I must help them win this war.
Lay your lives on the line for the betterment of the world.
We're the happiest.
Defend this sector, whatever it takes.
Reloading! Watch my back!
Loading new mag! There's nowhere to retreat you. Do not let this sector fall. Enemy has taken objective Charlie 2. Objective Charlie 1, lost.
Friendly down! Friendly down!
Smoke screen incoming.
Smoke barrage ready.
The situation is critical. Stand your ground. Defend at all costs. Allied forces are taking objective Charlie 1. Reinforce fire support. Allied forces are clearing objective Charlie 1. Keep suppressing. This is the final line of defense. Hold it at all costs. This is our last defense. We must hold it. This is our last position. It's all you've got. Allied forces are attacking objective Charlie 1. Send reinforcements to the objective. Allied forces are taking objective Charlie 1. Reinforce fire support. The enemy has taken objective Charlie 2. Keep alert. The enemy has broken through our defense. Operation failed. Retreat at once.